Buddy came to see me this morning. He's waiting for seed. Come here, buddy. Here. Hi. It was a rough night last night, huh? It was a lot of rain. You're okay. I'm just sitting down. I'm just sitting down. Come back. Right here. Lick. Lick. It's okay. Nobody's gonna bother you here. He comes to visit every day now. It's funny, I think he knows the sound of my truck. I pulled in the driveway the other day, and he came running. I opened the door, and he basically ran at me and followed me up to the cabin for some seed. The other day I was working at the back cabin, and he came out to see me, and I talked him into following me up to the front cabin for some seed. I think he likes it here. I think he moved into the bush up front. It was a group of 4, but one of the girls disappeared. I assume a dog or something got her, and then the other 2 kind of paired off. The other guy's a little bit more fancy. He's got like longer, I don't know, I guess you call it a crown. He's got longer, fuzzier feathers. He's a little bit bigger. And they come around once in a while. Not as much. It is spring, so I assume they're watching eggs. I'm kind of being a little more secluded there. But Buddy comes every day. I'm still hoping to catch some of his cool little gestures that he does. See the red on his face? They puff that up, and they make these really crazy sounds, and they beat their wings against their chest. They're really quiet birds for the most part, but sometimes they let out these crazy squeals that you wouldn't even think come from them. And it's not like a distress call or anything. I think it's actually a mating call. I've only heard it a couple of times. You're okay, it's just the wind. It's just the wind. You're okay. I see you have favorites. You like the long seeds. It's funny, he goes and he's not as picky as the chickens. Like the chickens will go and pick out all their favorites first. Buddy's a little more random, but I did notice he goes for the longer seed, which I'm not sure. I think that's alfalfa seed. Oh, you got critters? Or was it just an itch? You're okay. They're so cool. I'm going to let him eat. I'm going to go make myself some breakfast. Sounds like a good plan, huh, buddy?